Hi, this is Mrs. Leach. I want to let you know how to share a Google Doc with someone, mainly your teacher. So here I have a Google Doc and I want to share it with Miss Alonso so that she has our Zoom links as well as I do. So what I'm going to do is I've already made this document. It's ready to go, and I want to go up to this share button right here in the upper right-hand corner to share. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that share button, and then I'm going to add people in groups. So I'm going to type her name in. It's Paige, and there, see, she pops up, and I'm going to click on her name, Paige Alonso. If her name didn't pop up, I could write the whole email address in it, and I want to make sure she's notified. And I'm going to make her an editor. But let's just say I had a document I didn't want her to fool with or look at or change it any way. I could make her a viewer, or I could make sure that she was able to comment on it. So if you wanted your teacher not to just to comment on your paper, then you might want to make a commenter. Or if you really want some edits in there, maybe in a different color so you can see what went on, you could make whoever you're trying to give this paper to an editor. So for Miss Alonso, I'm going to make sure she's editor. And then I want to send it to her and save it. And just like that, it says right here, person added at the top. So we are done. Now you know how to share a Google Doc with someone.